Hi children, we learned number names 31 to 40. Yes, we learned to spell it, we learned to recognize the numeral. Now we'll do a little exercise for us to enjoy. We're not learning, we are going to do a little exercise to see our memory. Find the numerals. Okay? I'll give you the number's name. The number name will come up here and you read, spell, and you tell me what is the numeral. So the number names are given, you'll give the number. It's just a game, a tiny little game for you to enjoy with me. Shall we? We already learned the number name. So we are going to just give the names and you give the numeral. Can you do it? Good. Let's look at the first number name that will come up. And you give me the numeral, will you? Yes, it's a beautiful exercise together. Look, we have two words here. Read aloud with me. Could. Come on. Thirty, 30, one. What is 31? What is the numeral? 30 is here, 1 is here. What is the numeral for this number name? Tell me. Good. 31. 30. You learn to read it correctly. 30. O-N-E-1. 3, 1, 31. So I am giving you the number name. You are able to find the numeral. Good. Very good. Shall we take another number name? You will read and guess. Tell me the numeral. Good. Let's see what we have. The next exercise is, look, spell Thirty, 30, and this Nine, 9. Read together, 39. So what is the numeral? Very good. The numeral for this number name is 39. 39. If you can read and spell, sure, you can guess the numeral. 39, 39. 3 and 9, 39. Very good. So you are learning the spellings too. Shall we take another exercise? Good. Look what we have. Read. Thirty, 30. Four, 4. 34. What is the numeral? 34. 3 and 4. 34. Very good. 34. 3 and 4. 34. So you have learned to spell 30. You learned to recognize F-O-U-R. Thirty, 30. F-O-U-R. 4. 34. 3 and 4. 34. Very good. Clever children. Let's take another exercise for us to find the numeral. Good. Look what we have here. Thirty, 30. Seven. 7. Seven. 7. Thirty, 30. Seven. So what can be the numeral? Tell me. 37. What is the numeral? 3, 7, 37. 3 and 7, 37 is the numeral. 37. If you can learn and read, if you know the spelling, easy to write the numeral. 37. 37. Very good. Shall we go to a nice exercise? Look at the number name and find the numeral yourself. Look, let's see what we have here. Spell with me. 30. Thirty. 30. And this? Threee. 3. 33. How do we read this? 33. So what is your numeral? What is the numeral for 33? 3 and 3, 33. 3 and 3, 33. Very good. 33. You are able to read and able to write the numeral 33. Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Look at the number names and give me the numeral yourself. Spell THIRTY 30 SIX 6 36 36. That is 3 and what will be the next number? 6. 36. Very good. 36. Numeral is written as 3 and 6. 36. The number name 36 is here and you found the numeral for it is 3, 6. 3 and 6, 36. Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Here is your another number name. Find the numeral for me. Read it out. 30. THIRTY 30. TWO2. 32. Read aloud. 32. How do we write the numeral? 32. 3 and 2. 32. 3 and 2. 32. Very good. 3 and 2. 32. Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Look at the number name and give me the numeral. THIRTY 30. This is 30. Very good. This EIGHD 8. 8. 38. This word is 30. This is 8. So what is the numeral for 38? How do we write the numeral? 3 and 8. 38. So you can read 38 and you write the numeral 3, 8, 38. Good. Shall we take another exercise and enjoy finding the numeral? Shall we? Look what we have. Spell it out. FORTY. 40. FORTY. 40. How do you write the numeral 40? You know to write the numeral 40? Tell me 40. 4 and 0. 40. Very good. 4 and 0. 40. Spell 40. FORTY. 40. That is the number name and the numeral you found is 4 and 0. 40. Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Good. Let's look at. Look at this. Fine. Let's find the numeral for it. THIRTY 30. FIVE 5. How do you read this? 35. 35. How do we write the numeral for this number name? 35. That is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 35. So 35 numeral is written as 3 and 5. 35. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.